Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do OnePlus 8T battery test with extreme app usage. If you haven't participated in our giveaway video, please check out the link in description. Coming to the battery test, we have charged the phone to 100%. You can see it on the screen. Without any delay, let's start the battery test.
12 seconds later.
Let's begin with the Geekbench test first of all. To know what are the scores we are going to get on single and multi cores.
Two very boring minutes later.
We have completed the Geekbench test and the scores are 886 per single core and 3164 for multi-core. This is really good score for flagship phone. It was expected to be around 900. Still, it is a good score of 886. Next, we will test the Antutu benchmark score. I'm expecting the score to be around 6 lakh. Let's hope for it.
Minutes later.
We are about to complete the Antutu test. Oh, we got it really close. The score is 5,86,000. Really good score for a flagship phone. I wouldn't say it is nevertheless around 6 lakh, but it's a really good score. Now we will test 3D Mark test to know the physical component score and GPU scores. This is going to heat up the battery a little bit so that we can know the real usage of GPU. This is not a regular video, this is 3D video powered by 3D Mark. I could see there are really very bad frame drops, like it is going up to 25 frames, not more than that. Let's see how the scores are going to be.
Many minutes later.
Finally, we have completed the 3D Mark test and the battery got a little bit heat up. It's been 30 minutes and the scores is 7153. You can see the physical scores are down. It means the components that are used are not that great in 8T, and the battery is only 94%. It means this awkward middle child is performing really good as of now. Let's start some 4K video recording for up to half an hour or 1 hour to check this is really going to heat up the battery or not. Let me keep it in recording and place it aside.
One hour later.
Finally, we have completed 1 hour of battery test for this awkward middle child. Let's see what are we going to get. The phone got a little bit heat up. It's not an issue. It is 4K content video. Obviously, any phone would be heated up if you record it for more than 15 minutes. See, the battery is gone up to 85%, which means the 80 is performing really well with its split battery technology. Let's play some video and keep it aside for 1 or 2 hours and check the battery percentage after it. This will take much time. Use it in extreme brightness and check if it is really going to affect the phone or not.
2 hours later.
See, we have completed 2 hours and the battery is 74%. This is really good. 80 is performing beyond its expectations. And the GPU is gone up to 52. It's not a bad one. It's now started to accelerate the GPU much. Let's play some heavy game like PUBG and see how the battery is going to be drained after 1 hour or 2 hours, whatever it is. I would keep it on HDR Extreme to know how long it can sustain the battery. won't be playing, I would place it aside and see. PUBG, like heavy games, would really drain up the battery. As you know, most of the phones would come around 4 to 5 hours of gameplay. That's it. But I would expect 80 to perform more than that.
Later, in the void.
We have completed 2 hours of gaming and the phone got little bit heat up. Like when we recorded, the same kind of feel I'm getting while it's used in HDR extreme mode. And the battery is 34% and it is just 50 degrees Celsius. This is really amazing. The phone is not heating up much. Let's play YouTube videos for some more time and see how it goes. As you know, we have completed 4 hours and we have got 35% battery left. So this phone is performing very well, and hopefully after 20% it will really go down faster. I would expect it to be 6 hours battery backup.
5 hours later.
See, we have completed 5 hours and let's see what's the battery percent that is remaining in our 80. See, it's 25% more. So after 5 hours it is still remaining with 25%. This is really good. I'm expecting it to be 6 hours battery backup phone. So let's play PUBG again to see how it goes after 20% battery. The phone is not at all heating up like what you usually think. So I would run the 3D Mark test again because the GPU got heated much. Let's wait for a few seconds and see what the score is going to be. Let me show it to you. The scores has been improved as GPU got accelerated. Now the score is 9000, which is really amazing. This is the reason I told I would test again to check the scores after heating the GPU, as the battery is only left with 20%, so it would really drain the battery much faster after 20%, you know. So I am going to completely use this battery for the PUBG now. I would expect it to be around 5 hours 45 backup something. If you are not an extreme user of phone, it would last up to 1.5 days for sure. If the frame rate is dropped to 60 Hz, it would give you 2 days battery backup.
80,000 impressions later.
Would you please stop imitating me? It is starting to get very annoying.
See, finally we are down to 5 hours 56 minutes and the battery is still alive. See, you could see there is also 2% remaining. It's 5 hours 57 minutes. Let's see, we can get up to 3 minutes extra, that could reach to 6 hours. Oh, it's shutting down. Not a problem. Finally the battery test is completed and it's a very good phone to buy. If you want to win this phone, check out the link in description, and I have made a video on battery charging of 80. It's coming on Sunday. Stay tuned, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.